guys, today we are going all planets in the solar system. But there's talking planets. You cannot go on me because I am super bright that my atmosphere will make you die. Okay, let's go to Mercury. Sorry, I think Mercury is gone. He just go in another system. Okay, let's go to Venus then. You cannot go to me because I am a hellish planet that makes you die. Okay, let's go to Earth. Wait, are you going back in your home? Sorry, I'm not. Okay, let's go to Mars then. You can go to me. All my volcanoes are not actually different. You can be my rovers right here. All right then. Can meet all my rovers right here. This is Perseverance. And this is Curiosity. And Sojourner. And Spirit. Like the Spirit of Jesus. And Opportunity. Alright then, let's go to the rovers. Number 1. Hello, Perseverance. Beep. You are the rover that cleaning to Mars. Beep. Alright, let's go to the next one. Hello, Curiosity. Beep. You have the loneliest birthday in the world when you are 1 year old. That's when you are only the one rover on Mars. That everyone is gone yet. There haven't been right on Mars. Beep. Bye-bye all of you.